Hey Terry, I thought it would be a little bit easier to go ahead and just send over this quick video to show you where everything is located. So here we're in your course and you'll click this Spring 2021 into the 10th edition. Here is your course shell and we will rebuild your course fully, so this is where it will live, but in the meantime this is where you'll find all your resources. So here is the ebook. Just to access this, you'll click, it'll open a new tab and you'll be able to access all of the materials. Sorry, my internet is a little slow this morning. Here you'll find your table of contents and you can go in chapter by chapter and filter this way. You can also click the search bar and type in anything and it will pull the page number. But back into your course, if you click into Library, Instructor Resources, this is where you'll find all of your PowerPoints, test bank, question banks, solutions manuals. This is where everything lives. And so here's your instructions manual, solutions manual, test bank. So everything is located here, and you can download the test bank here. As far as homework and questions, if you want to review that, you click Add Assignment, Question Bank, and you can go into any chapter. We'll just go into chapter 4. And here are all the different question types. You can go into problems, and you'll see 30 different problems. This is a way to review. You can click in and see the actual question and the answers. And remember, this is the instructor side, so you will see all of the solutions as well. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help. Thank you so much.